Director of Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma has called for concerted efforts in making RIMS one of the most reputed institutions in the country. Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma said this during the 78th Independence Day observance, which was held at A block of the institute. Speaking in the program, Director G. Sunil Kumar Sharma highlighted the significance of Independence Day. He said a master plan has been submitted to India government to further develop and upgrade RIMS in the next 50 years. Under the master plan, which was submitted during the Standing Finance Committee SFC meeting in Delhi, RIMS will be upgraded with state-of-the-art infrastructures, super specialty block, multi-level parking. This will help the institute in further serving the people of the state and the region.
Promoting healthcare, medical education, research, not only the Manipur but in the whole Northeast and by now to the whole nation. We have helped in building manpower, human resources in the entire Northeast states, and again RIMS stands to be one of the foundation place for the whole Northeast. By now it's across the country. And we have requested for a world-class infrastructures, medical facilities, library, super specialty blocks, multi-level parkings, and more or less is a proven principle. And once we can execute in next maybe 8 to 10 years from now, the whole landscape of this area will be changed. We'll be seeing some sort of 5 to 6 story permissible buildings, blocks, and that we are going to compete with the rest of the country's best infrastructure.